Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so encoding isn't fighting your system. Check Adobe Media Encoder version, apply OS and GPU driver updates, and restart AME. Once done, close heavy background apps and free at least 10% of your drive to prevent frame drops. Make sure your sequence settings match your source footage to avoid resampling. Now that the foundations are stable, export a short 10-15 second clip to validate the pipeline before moving to more complex fixes. Next, you'll isolate codec and hardware issues. Change the encoder to software only if the GPU path crashes. This often resolves driver conflicts. Then explicitly match frame size, frame rate, and bitrate to your source to reduce transcoding stress. If you previously enabled maximum render quality or maximum depth, turn them off temporarily because they multiply processing load and expose codec bugs. Export a small segment again if that succeeds. You've narrowed the problem to hardware acceleration or high-quality toggles. Finish by clearing caches and testing individually so you can pinpoint the fault. Delete AME and Premiere Media Cache files and the Media Cache database, then restart the apps. Send items to the AME queue and encode single clips to find a corrupted file or problematic effect. If a specific clip fails, remove effects or transcode that clip externally. If problems persist across projects, reset AME preferences and, if needed, reinstall. This often fixes stubborn configuration corruption as a final
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.